Well, this week we're cruising on motoring. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm driving a 2004 Corvette. Well, obviously, I'm not driving. I'm in the passenger side, and believe me, there are few people I'd give up the left seat to. But the guy driving is somebody called Ron Fellows, and he kicked and screamed long enough. I said, all right already, you can drive. Anyway, this week, we're heading off to a birthday party as people have gathered to pay homage to the history, the passion, and the love affair for the Corvettes.
They call her Corvette, and she belongs to the highway just for the sheer and simple joy of driving, for the open road and the country byway, for Mr. and Mrs. America in a carefree mood. Boy, what a car.
This year marks Corvette's 50th birthday. It's their 50th anniversary. They've been around since 1953, and to celebrate, there was a huge party last weekend in Nashville. A lot of people went down for that, and I decided, well, you know, there's no reason why Canada can't celebrate it. So we decided to organize a huge party. We have 375 vets. We thought, okay, should we have a show? Should we have a race? We decided, no, let's do a cruise, and then everyone will come. And we did, and the weather was fabulous, and that's why we're all here today, is to say happy birthday to the best car around, in my opinion, which is the Corvette. We had a chance to have a 2004 here, which is a very popular new car. No one's had a chance to see it, so that's been out front. Yeah, Jim was driving that, and I was his co-pilot, so that was nice to have. It's great. Everybody's enjoying the cars. GM brought out specialty vets, so we are very appreciative to them. They had a chance to bring Ron Fellows here, so people are very anxious to get autographs from him.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
It's amazing, the years that I've been involved with Corvette racing, and to see the kind of passion that people have for this car. It's amazing, and it's all over the world.
Thanks, bro.
Whether they're from England, France, Belgium, we've seen them all at Le Mans, and they are absolutely crazy about the Corvette. It's borderline fanaticism at its best. It's really something to see.
The completely new Corvette Stingray for 1963.
It's an interesting car, and as I've mentioned a couple of times, the 50th anniversary of a brand name. That's half as long as the Ford Motor Company's been in business, and I think that's pretty amazing that a car as specialized as the Corvette has lasted this long. And it's pretty true to its traditions as well. Okay, the first 300 were 6-cylinder, 2-speed automatics, but as of 1955, it got the V8 engine, and it's been the performance icon, not only for North America, but pretty much for the world. And there's a passion for these cars that's really rare. There's some suspicion that, gee, don't these people have anything else to do with their lives except drive Corvettes? But the car has that kind of appeal to people. I don't know, maybe they get addicted to the resin smell in the car. I can't be sure.
We've been doing this for over 20 years, actually. We've had the Red 56 that we own since 1978, so we're getting into 25 years with the Corvetting hobby now. We've raised our family around Corvettes, and it's both kids have been brought up with Corvetting, and it's really been a great part of our life. It's just the camaraderie and the whole social aspect of it is terrific.
The neat thing about the Corvette, in my opinion, is that they build 30,000 plus of them a year, and that keeps the cost way down because it has everything that you could want and more than cars twice its price. It's a really tremendous value and a great car to drive.
I was thinking again today, I don't know of any car you can buy that goes as fast, handles as well, and rides as well. That's the key thing, rides as well as a Corvette with this new magnetic ride suspension. Forget about the fact that it's the best sports car you can buy for the money. It pretty much may be the best sports car you can buy. And if you want to come close to performance, you got to be spending twice as much. So it's a pretty impressive vehicle.
So here's the question. Where were you 32 years ago? I know some of you weren't even a glint in your father's eye. As for me, well, I was in diapers, but found time to get Motoring TV off the ground. And today I like to think we've got one of the best automotive video libraries in the world. If you agree, please give us the thumbs up and also subscribe. We really appreciate it.